This is a Gold Coast facing location, so we didn't want it to compromise with it.
Also, my daughter, she started high school and her school is quite nearby from here.
That's why we thought we'll just stay here and choose renovation rather than moving or building a new place. My name is Arvind.
And I'm Shalu.
And we've just recently finished this beautiful renovation project with Esteem, and we are quite happy with the outcome.
Yeah, so we have a bit of extension on the back side, and also we included the balcony in the front facade and upgrade of the kitchen.
We wanted to actually do the right sort of project, and that's why we thought we'll just stay here and choose renovation rather than moving or building a new place.
The thing is, if you can see, everybody has the balcony because of the view, but this house doesn't include that thing. So first we thought about just like adding the balcony. Then we thought, if we are adding the balcony, let's think about other stuff as well. So that's how we started. I think in this area, kitchen including the open lounge and everything. So as a family, we can sit together and enjoy our meals and TV time and all those sort of things here.
Esteem did a renovation project with one of our friends earlier. We hadn't actually zeroed down Esteem earlier, so we had 3 builders to choose from, and then we kind of started conversation with Esteem as well. And as Shalu was mentioning, there was few technicalities in the project, and we were not sure if a builder who's not experienced in renovation can actually deliver that. And when we met Esteem, we kind of got that confidence, and that's the reason why we went a level with them.
Whatever the time frame they gave to us, they finished as per that, and whatever our requirement, they understand that thing and also look after that thing as well.
They have the right experience, and especially in the projects where the things are tricky, I think it is important for the builder to understand.
We are really happy with the outcome and result and the work they did. I can say they did such a quality work. So yeah, we are happy with the outcome.